To get started, first, go to your search. I will search for hip hop only. Next, press on the extension. As you can see, you have 5 functions available in this extension. I will use extract events. To extract more events, simply scroll down and press more events. As you can see, the more we scroll down, the higher the number becomes. To export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting the file and opening it, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say I want to extract the tickets of this concert. So, let's press on Find Tickets. Then, let's press on the extension. As you can see, Extract Tickets is now available. Let's press on that. As you can see, here is all the tickets we extracted. To export this, again, press Add to Export List. Then press on the extension again. Then press Export. After exporting, here is all the information about the tickets we extracted.